Hi, I'm Ron with Amazing Mile Marker Stops. Come along with us as we look for amazing places for you to visit. It's 4th of July and we are in Tidewater Yacht Marina in Portsmouth, Virginia. And everybody is getting ready for the fireworks, which are going to start in less than an hour. I've been told the fireworks here at Norfolk, although we're in Portsmouth, it's Norfolk across the river, and they're actually the ones going to be sending off the fireworks, and I've been told it's a pretty good display and everybody's in a festive atmosphere and we're really looking forward to it. So the fireworks have started. I can't see myself in the camera, it's too dark out here, but we have a front row seat. They're apparently being launched from a barge right in the river, directly across from us, so we're looking dead at it. Makes them kind of loud, but it's really cool. So for about a year now, we've been using these banners on our boat to identify we're a film crew. And the reason we started doing that was because we'd be up there with cameras pointing at boats in particular, but also people that we'd see along the way, and we could see by their strange looks that they're wondering, why are you filming me? Sometimes we wondered if the boaters thought they were doing something wrong and we were trying to catch them on film so we could prove it. So we came up with the idea, it was actually Marie's idea, to put banners on the boat. And that way they would know that, no, we're just a film crew. So filming is what we do. You're not doing anything wrong. We're not trying to catch you. We're just doing what we do and filming things along the way. And it worked great. And I really liked it. Thought it looked good on the boat, as you can see, and it served its purpose. But there was a problem with it. Originally we had them attached up on the flybridge, but when we got the new Bimini enclosure, there's nowhere to hang them there anymore, so we moved them down here. And the way we did that was to attach it to plywood, but the wood caused its own problems. So we're going to remove those banners and we're replacing them with vinyl lettering, and we're going to do that right now.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way. And it's kinda strange, don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
So here's what the new lettering looks like. We've got it done on the port side. We're getting ready to do the starboard side now, but I think it looks pretty cool, and I like it. Shortly after we arrived, Hurricane Elsa took aim on Portsmouth, and so we battened down the hatches. The tornado sirens just went off. We don't see any tornado. We're looking around. The siren's still sounding. Visibility is pretty low out there right now. You can see the marina, but not much past it. A little bit of the buildings just across the river, but nothing more distant than that.
Winds have picked up to 50 miles an hour.
It's on the hurricane. I mean, on the tropical storm. Not really sure where we're at though.
It's not too far from us.
Well, keep an eye out. That's all we can do. I guess even that's nothing to do. Tornadoes coming. Nothing we can do about it once we see it. We can't move the boat, so all we can do is hope it don't hit us. By the time Elsa hit us, she'd been downgraded to a tropical depression, and so it was just a windy, rainy night.
So Ron got up earlier this morning than I did because I couldn't sleep last night. And he defrosting this freezer. It's still dripping here. Put that ice in there. How thick is that?
That's what was above this tray.
That was above the tray.
That was in the refrigerator, not the freezer.
Yeah. We worked down to where all of our cold stuff is only in that one bag right there. Other than these things here that are okay for a little while. Shelf stable milk that hadn't been opened yet. I don't know about y'all, but I like to date things when they've been opened.
You like to date me, is that what you said?
Something like that. You want to go on a date? Let's go.
Sure.
Let's go.
Go provision.
Go provisioning. What's the weather like out there today? Sunshiny, sort of cloud cover, but the sun's out there. But there's a lot of cloud or fog or something.
I wanted to take a moment and say thank you to Phyllis Bailey for her support of the Ames project. We really appreciate all of you patrons. Our Ford air conditioner wasn't blowing air this morning when we got up, and things are heating up pretty quick in here. We tore the V-berth apart to take a look at it, and the entire air conditioner is iced over. So I don't know if it iced over because it quit blowing air, or if it quit blowing air because it iced over. So the first step is to get rid of the ice, and then we can take a better look at things. Once I got the air conditioner completely defrosted, I turned it back on. I took the plenum off so that I could see the squirrel cage and make sure it was running, because that was our first symptom, is there's no air coming out of the vents. It was running, it was blowing air forcefully, which looked great, and it was cold. So I just left everything alone for a little bit, and after about half an hour I came back down here to check it again, and it was starting to ice over again. So obviously there's a problem. So I called Flagship Marine, the manufacturer of the air conditioner, and they said most likely I'm running low on Freon, so I need to get a repairman out here to put some Freon in. And of course today and tomorrow are supposed to hit 95 degrees, so yeah, we're gonna be baking. But anyway, we have 2 units on board, so we've still got one, but trust me, one can't keep up with 95 degree temperatures. So we'll do the best we can. But So that's the next steps to get a repairman on board. Several days ago, I was out doing some stuff in the middle of the night on the weather deck. It was dark, I couldn't see, and I caught my toe on something and may have broken it, I don't know. It hurt. And it was healing up. I wasn't feeling any pain today. That was about 3-4 days ago. And I wasn't feeling much pain today. So things were going good, and then the air conditioner broke, and I'm down there working on the air conditioner and caught my toe on something else. And I've ripped the toenail off, so taking a break from fixing the air conditioner at the moment.
Visit amazing mile marker stops.